Do you want to learn how to create t-shirt designs quickly and do it all online? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with an app called Kittle. We're going to do a Chinese New Year t-shirt and we're going to do it in about 5 minutes. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Juno with Detour Shirts. In this video, we're going to talk about creating a Chinese New Year design. I know I'm a little late on it because Chinese New Year this year is January 22nd, so it's only in a couple of weeks. Depending on when you're watching this video, it may have passed already. But I'm going to show you how to do this, how to create a quick t-shirt design using the app called Kittl. And Kittl is online, so you can try it out there. You can try it out for free and do this tutorial for free. They have some paid subscriptions, which I go over in some of my other videos. But we're gonna do this really quickly by using some of their templates. They have a bunch of Chinese New Year templates already on there. And so I'm gonna show you how to use them to make a quick design. So this is stuff that I talked about in my video before where I do a quick win, a quick design early in the morning to, upload. I'm going to show you how to do that in Kittl, and you can do this with any topic. I'm just going to pick Chinese New Year since it's coming up, but of course you can try it on any topic. Find a topic that is trending or a topic that people like to buy. So if you go to Amazon Merch on Demand and Pretty Merch right here, you'll see that Chinese New Year is trending. Lots of people are buying it right now, of course, because it's getting closer and closer to it. So you're going to want to pick something like that. Don't just pick any topic. It doesn't have to be a trending design. It can be an evergreen design, but just make sure it's something that people actually are interested in buying. Don't just make any design out there. So let's get into Kittl right now, and I'll show you how quick it is to make a t-shirt design. All right, so here I am on Kittl, Kittl.com. If you've seen some of my videos, you've seen this before, but they just have tons of templates. All of them are great. They're all different styles and things like that. And of course, they have templates for Chinese New Year. I don't know how long this is going to take. I'm going to guess it's going to take less than 5 minutes. I haven't timed it, but I'm going to time it after and I'll tell you how long it actually took. So let's start the clock now and let's see how long it took. So I'm going to do a Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year. Okay, good. And then I'm going to pick one of these. Let's see which one. I'll just pick this one. And I'll do use this design. Boom, you can see this is not a t-shirt design. This is a poster design, so I'm going to have some work to do. Let's do this. Let's make a size. So we're going to have to make it 4,500 by 5,400. Time pressure. Let's go. And then select all of this and make it bigger. Boom. Oh, something's locked over here. Hold on. Let's just make it bigger and then we can unlock stuff. Yeah, I think that's a good size right there. Good. I'm going to remove myself here just to unlock the thing that's in the layers. You can see there's a locked thing. Good. So we don't need all of this stuff. Oh, I can bring myself back here. Boom. All right, so let's remove this flowers. Oh, that's good. That's grouped. Move that flower. And okay, let's make this a white shirt. Boom. Okay, and now I can remove that. Great. I'm gonna remove this stuff. Good. I think that's grouped. Let's do ungroup, Command G. And let's just move it closer. Well, great. And then this, I don't need that color. I wanna make it red. Let's take off the style and let's color that red. We already have that red there. So good. Boom. Is that 5 minutes? Let's make sure that it's the right size. Good, that could fit. Right? Actually, let's do the whole thing. I'm wasting time here. I know I'm under 5 minutes because look how fast that was. Let's see, do we want to add more flowers here? There's some flowers. Let's go Chinese flowers. Boom. All right, and then this flower is like, see, it's the same flower there. So I'm gonna color it that light color. Oh no, is it this color? Okay, good. and then just kind of fill the space. I'm holding down Option and I'm just putting it different ways. I can turn it like that. You know, oops. Maybe put one there. I don't know, I'm just trying to fill the space. And then the rabbit can be in the front. So right click and bring to front. Boom, that's a little different. Okay, maybe a little smaller there. Good, there's my t-shirt, bam. And now I export it. Let's do this. Download, and make sure remove the background, hit PNG, it's doing it. Boom, I'll pull it up so you can see. Here it is, the rabbit. So stop the time, you can see right here, I can, now that it's the PNG, I can just put this onto Merch by Amazon and things like that. So very quick. Now this is, you know, something different than already was there. This automatically saves to my profile. So you can see Year of the Rabbit. I can change the title. So I can change it to Year of Rabbit 2023. Boom. And so on. And it's just saving to my profile. So now I have it. Now if I want to make this a black t-shirt one, I'll change the background here to black. Let's see that. And it works great on black with the red and black, but maybe I want to change it to white. You know, have some things stand out. Can do that. Or maybe even that yellow, right? You know, could do that. Make that stand out too. Anything that touches the black. How cool is that? Very cool, right? And then if you want to move around the flowers, you can, and things like that. So that was super easy to do. I can do this one now too and save this as a another one. So I got two, the white version or the shirt on the white and this one on black. And I'm gonna do PNG here. And you can see it's doing the 2023. And so now we got two. I'll bring both of those into Merch by Amazon. Again, quick win. We want to do it super quick in the morning to give us a quick upload. All right, so here we are on Merch by Amazon or Amazon Merch on Demand, creating products. Again, this is what you'll do, or you can do this on Redbubble or TeePublic or whatever print on demand site. I'm just going to show you on here because it's really clear. So I'm going to grab the first one we did, pull it into here just to show you that it's the right size, right color, PNG format, right, all of this. And then look at this right here. We wanted it on white. It works great on white and black and blue, I think. Yeah, gray looks great, yellow. So any of the light colors look really good, right? So that works. And if you want to size it down, you maybe don't want it that big, you can put it there. It's perfect, right? So let's do another one. Let's see the light version. So I'm going to bring the light version in. You can take this out, pull it in. So this one's going to be the other one that we did with the lighter text so that it works better on a lot of the dark products. So let's see here. So now we can put this on like the dark gray, the black, this cranberry red looks really cool on there. Green works, navy blue, right? Red works, and so on. So red, yellow, black, white, those are some of the nice colors I would choose for Chinese New Year. Again, you can size this down and boom. And it works great on phones too. So let's go here and just pick, you know, that red that already there, or you could pick like a darker red. So if you want like not none of this custom, you want a custom color, you can come down here and like darken the red a little bit, right? And what I like about this is it's a tall rectangle. So if you make it fit like that, right? Look how cool that is on a phone case. I don't know if anybody would get a phone case, but if they are born in the Year of the Rabbit and want to celebrate that through the whole year, they might want to do that there, right? And works great on here too, and a tote bag. This is really cool. Look at that. And size it down. I usually like to size it down so that there's the same space above and below. See that right there? And then this one right here, looking great, right? So there you go. You can make this super quick, get a quick win in the morning, and get some uploads, get you started, and then work on something a little more detailed or something maybe you hand drawn or something like that. But get in those quick wins, get in the uploads early in the morning just to give you some boost, some motivation, some early wins. So I like to call them quick wins. Let's go back to Kittle. I'm going to show you, this is the one we just did. I did this one right here earlier. I'm going to put this up as a template for you guys so you can use it and try out some new things, maybe change the text, change the font, change the rabbit. There's lots of rabbits on here, surprisingly. So if I do Chinese New Year, you know, there's that rabbit. I think that's the one I used. There's that rabbit there. There's this cute one right here. This one, like, you can switch out the rabbits, right? So I'll put this one in, but if you want to put this one in instead, you just would come in here and put it in, change the color. Maybe the color is white instead. You can see we're super easy, and then change that red to that red, and now it matches, right? So, and then change colors and do stuff on the new Command Z, so bring it back. I'll put this one up again for you guys. You'll see it on Kittle template, so you have another Year of the Rabbit templates, another 2023 templates in Kittle. When you go here, I'm going to leave this so you can see, again, when you search here, Chinese New Year, you'll see it. Hopefully it ends up here somewhere. You'll have another one. I mean, that one's a t-shirt design, but most of these are like poster designs, so real easy to change them into t-shirt design. So hopefully that was really quick, easy for you to do in Kittle. So hopefully that was really helpful for you, so you can see how to do a really quick win. I like to do these in the morning, just really quick designs. You can see it took me under 5 minutes, and you can upload and have them there and have a quick win. And it just helps with the motivation, like I said in my other video. If you want to learn more about Kittle and see how Kittle works, this is a full tutorial right here on this video. You can watch that. It goes through everything that Kittle has, all the things I didn't explain in this video, but lots more stuff. It's very powerful, and it's all online. So have fun with that. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.